Chapter 2. Super Cats. All cats belong to the same family. Tigers, lions, leopards, cheetahs are all part of the cat family. But we call them big cats or super cats. Big cats are called carnivorous animals because they only eat meat. They move fast. They can climb trees and some can even swim. The house cat doesn't like water, but it can also swim. The tiger is the largest of the super cats. It weighs 230 to 300 kilograms. It is strong and powerful and has a reddish-orange coat with dark stripes. No two tigers have exactly the same stripes. The roar of a Bengal tiger can be heard 2 kilometers away. Unlike other big cats, the tiger enjoys being in the water and swims well. Full-grown tigers are too heavy to climb trees, but they do climb trees to protect themselves. Tiger cubs do not hunt till they are about 18 months old. They live with their mothers till they are 2 or 3 years old. Then they start hunting on their own. Tigers wait until it is dark to go after their prey. They also like to hunt alone. A tiger runs fast, but deer can run faster. Tigers catch their prey by the throat or attack it from the side. A tiger eats about 5 to 21 kilograms of meat at a time. Some tigers can eat 72 kilograms of meat in one night. A tiger may kill more than 25 buffaloes in a year. The tiger is clever. It covers up what remains of its food with mud and leaves. The tiger eats this food whenever it feels hungry again. The lion is called the king of the jungle, but it lives in grasslands. It is also not the biggest of the super cats. At one time the lion was found in Asia, Africa and Europe. Today it is found only in Africa and Sasangir National Park in Gir Forest of Gujarat, India. Lions are the most social of the big cats. African lions often live in groups called prides. A male is easy to recognize because it has a mane of fur around its neck and face. A lion weighs around 180 kilograms. Its roar can be heard 8 kilometers away and it can run 81 kilometers per hour. Lions hunt at night and early in the morning. They can hunt whenever they see their prey. Lions can climb trees if they have to do so. They don't like water, but they can swim. Sometimes they swim to catch their prey. At other times they swim to cross the lake or a river to reach the other side. Male lions look after the pride and lioness do most of the hunting. Lions hunt wild beasts, impala, African animals, zebra, giraffe, buffalo, wild pigs, and sometimes rhinos and hippos. They also feed on smaller animals such as hares and birds. A lion may even attack an elephant when it can't find any other food. Both the tiger and the lion and other super cats do not prey on human beings. They are not born as man-eaters. A big cat becomes a man-eater for a number of reasons. A meat-eating animal has to be quick when it sets out to catch its prey. An old and injured animal cannot run fast, so it attacks humans, who do not run as fast as deer or zebra. A wounded or sick tiger or lion finds it difficult to run after its prey, so it may become a man-eater. A tigress or lioness might have cubs to feed. They may become man-eaters at this time. If we let these beautiful animals live peacefully in their homes, we will not lose them. Man hunts them, cuts down forests, and destroys their homes. All the big cats are now becoming endangered animals. What does that mean? It means that one day they may become extinct. They will disappear from the earth. If we don't protect them, the day may come when we will have no super cats left on the earth. Let's promise today to save these magnificent animals. Let us live and let them live as well.